the Platja Door Hotel, and as you can see it's a 4-story affair. No, not direction, that direction. Just on a quiet residential street, what do you see? That's it. Goes down to there, and just the same length behind me. A quiet residential street. So in we go. We'll go into the reception here. I'll have to keep talking because there's music playing. So, but some people say that's quite a non-task for me. Okay, that's reception. That seems to be very well managed and very quick, efficient. And that's the sitting area. And you also have your TUI desk there. So that's if you need any assistance from your TUI rep, that's where it's from. And this is the restaurant. It looks quite busy at the moment, but this is a lunchtime on a Thursday. But we'll have a look around to show you what's what. This is your bread station. And on the other side you have your coffee and juice. And come across. And that's your soup and vegetable soup. You have your salad bar with other little bits and pieces. And fruit. On this side you have the hot meals, and that's a vegetable cake as I call it. Looks like a pizza. And then you do have pizza. Spanish cannelloni. Couscous with chickpeas. And then lots of sauces. We're doing koftas by the looks of it, and sausages. And there you have them. Hot dog with fish with dill and gravy. Come round, you come to the chips and other things. Pork loin pepper sauce sounds nice. Cod croquettes. There's some of the happy staff. Potatoes, eggplant stuffed with pork, as we know as aubergines. And on the bottom, the same. We've got this is repeated again. Pasta gratin with vegetables, aubergine stuffed with pork, and then you have more of the pork loin and pepper sauce and chips. And then we'll look for the goodie counter, the sweeties. Sweetie counter, that's all the sauces for your ice cream and stuff. What have we got today? Strawberry mousse, white chocolate gâteau, Greek yogurt with orange. That sounds nice. Around this side, yolk and cream pate, or yolk and cream plate. Looks alright. Tropical jelly, Swiss roll, raspberry roulade, and then you've got several different types of ice cream. So, quite good. Just on past the TUI desk and the electronic board, we have the bar area, and I'm music playing again. But hopefully I should be able to keep talking. Now there's always a little bit of a queue at the bar, but it goes very quickly. You never have to wait any more than about 2 minutes for your drinks, and then you come out to the pool area. Lots of seating. For the smokers, there's only one small smoking area, which seems strange. And this would be it on the left hand side. That's the pool area. Lovely day, 30 odd degrees, and it's early June. It's not too bad. So there you go, that's the ground floor anyway. We also have a garden down this direction. I'll go down and take you down. Right, well, this is the garden, and they have some games down here. I've just before taking this video was playing some archery down here. We're right beside a petrol service station, which you can see in there. But the garden's nice, and you get some people relaxing. There's those pergolas, and yeah, quite pleasant. Right, up here by what was the kiddies pool. It's nice. It's not also only hotel, but up from here you have the snack bar, where you can order during the day burgers and hot dogs, toasties, that type of thing, and then pour yourself some beer. So that's what I'm going to do now. Right, 2 lifts to take us upstairs. We're on the 3rd floor. Quite dark and small, but should hold 6 people. Right, that's us on number 3. So there we go. And this is when it started to show its age, the dark paneling, but it's clean and brightly presented. Carpet's not too bad of order. So let's see, we'll go down to 309. That's it, to 309. Swipe the card, and then we'll go. Right, that's the entrance to it. I'll come to the bathroom again, but nice big wardrobes. Lots of stuff there. That's my case in the bottom, so that's plenty of room. And there, a safe in there that doesn't charge you, which is very good. You have a dressing table. As you can see, we've been here a few days, so there's a lot of stuff on it, but you get the idea. Bedside cabinets. 2 beds, 2 singles pushed together. TV on the wall. To be honest, I can't tell you what channels are on it, because that's not my thing to be sitting in. Again, another bedside cabinet. And out here, we have a little clothesline for bits and pieces, and table and chairs. And across there, in behind those trees, there's an Eroski supermarket. So if you wanted to have a couple of beers or something chilled, you can get it in there. And just under the bedside cabinet, you have a fridge. Just a little mini fridge. I'll have a couple of beers and a fizzy drink there and there. So, bathroom. Right, the bathroom is in behind this frosted glass. Now, you can't see anything through it. If you're a bit prudish, you're okay. You can see okay that you can't see through it. There's my hand, so you're not seeing anything. You have the shower, and it's obviously clean. I'll lift down shower head. There's enough power in that, and good temperature. You've got your sink, and then you have the main equipment in the bathroom. Comes with a hairdryer. Apparently not up to much, but as you can see, I don't need a hairdryer. But there you go. But that's the room in the Platja door, and it's totally functional, clean, tidy, well looked after, and no complaint from me. Oh, we also have our air conditioning built into the room, and it's really efficient. It's very nice. Just set the temperature on your fan as you wish, and it's really good. Up in there, and from the room, there you go, and that's blown out nice and cold. So that's our room in room 309 in the Platja Door Hotel in Alcudia. Right, well, beachy people like to know how you get to the beach, so I'm just going to take you that way now. Just come out the front door.
Oh yeah.
And you see the gates just in front of you. You're heading that way. You want to second path? Just do it again. I'm going to and you're there on the beach. It stretches for miles. You can see there's lots and lots of people on it. And you've got your paragliding as well, as you can see. But lovely clean water and nice white sandy beach. So for your beach lovers, you definitely have this. Well, that has been the TUI Suneo Platja in Alcudia. This is our third time there. As if you maybe seen me before putting up a video, this is the third time there. But this is now since it's become TUI Suneo Platja. It's a great wee hotel. Nothing much has changed since TUI Suneo. It's just exactly the same. Food's really good. For Spanish hotel food, it's really quite good. Plenty of drinks on tap. The animation team's very good. Plenty of games during the day, and then in the evening they put on a bit of a show, and there's also acts that they had. One of the acts was an ABBA tribute that the TUI rep was part of, and really sounded very well. The meals were great, but you also have the snack bar. Now, we never took lunch, although I filmed lunch. We never took lunch in it. We just got stuff from the snack bar. We got sandwiches and toasted sandwiches, chicken nuggets, burgers, cheeseburgers, and ice cream just by the pools, which I included there. That's what you would get from that direction. So it was really very good, and that's what we had at lunchtime, or just after lunchtime. We would have had maybe a burger or a sarnie, and really enjoyed it. So there's not an awful lot of filming in the sandwiches, but you know, if there was any improvement, it would be like a tuna sandwich. Give us a wee bit more tuna, but let's say that there's no question. You want more? Go get more. You can be Oliver Twist if you wish. But really had a good time. So any questions, hit them up down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. But for now, thanks for watching this. If you've liked it, please hit a like. If you really liked it and want to see more, hit a subscribe, and yeah, and maybe even the bell notification where you get notifications when I put videos up. All of this is free, of course. But most of all, thanks for watching this one. This is Gary JSLF. Bye for now. Until the next time.